Hello guys, today in this small tutorial I want to show you one plugin that I find very useful when I work in Figma. The plugin calls sort layers, and basically what it does, it organizes the layers and the artboard inside the Figma file in some different ways. Let's take a look. You can sort layers by name, by X position, Y position. You can smart sort layer, that is combination between X and Y. You can reverse the layers sorting or randomize it. But I will start with sort page by names. As you can see here, we have page 3 to 1. And if I will click here on the sort page by name, it will organize it by 1 to 3. And now, as you can see here, I have 3 artboards. On the main artboard, you can see ABC, but here on the 3, it's CAB. But imagine that I want that it will be ABC. So instead of moving here the layers, I can select everything, go here, and select sort layer by name, and you can see it's now ABC. Apart of that, I can come here, and as you can see here, I have organization of 3 layers, 1, 2, 3, but here on the T it's 2, 3, 1. So I can select here, come here, and click sort layers by X position, and now it will be 1, 2, 3. Apart of that, if I want to organize in the how it was in the Y axis, how it is in the y-axis, I click here, go to run by y, and it is 1, 2, 3, as you can see here. Apart of that, if I come here, I can make also a reverse layers sort order, so I will select all of them now. And you will see it 3 to 1. And at the end, we can randomize also. So if I select the layers, click here, run, randomize, and now it's 3 to 1, and now it's 3, 1, 2. So this is the plugin that I want to show you. It's very useful to organize your Figma canvas. I very recommend to use it. And if you have any questions or you want to add something more, leave it in the comment. And thank you very much to take a look on this small tutorial.